Xero Tutorial for Beginners. Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use Xero. Xero is a cloud-based accounting software for small businesses. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the basics of Xero and show you how to set up your Xero account and create invoices. We will also show you how to integrate Xero with other apps. We have a lot to cover in this video, so let's get started with the tutorial. To begin using Xero, the first step is to create an account. You will find the link down below in the description, so go to the description of this video and click on the first link you find there. This will take you to the correct home page. Once you're on the home page, look for the prominent Try Xero for Free button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on this button to proceed. Upon clicking, you will be redirected to the registration page. Here you can sign up for a 30-day free trial to explore Xero's features. Provide your first and last name, email address, phone number, and location as requested. Additionally, make sure to read and agree to the terms and conditions. Once you have filled in the required information and accepted the terms, click on the Next Confirmation button. On the next page, you will receive an email from Xero containing a confirmation link. Access your email inbox and click on the link provided in the email to confirm your account. This will take you to another page where you will need to activate your Xero account. To complete the activation process, enter your desired password and click on the Activate Your Account button. After successfully activating your account, you will be directed to another page where you can input your business details. Enter your business name and select your industry, which in this case we will choose house construction. Additionally, choose your business country, select the appropriate time zone and currency for your business, and provide the last day of your financial year. Indicate whether you have employees or not. Once you have entered all the necessary information, click on the Start Trial button to proceed. This will initiate your 30-day free trial. After this step, you will be redirected to your account dashboard where you can begin utilizing Xero's functionalities to manage your business's finances effectively. Once you log in and access your account dashboard in Xero, you will notice a top menu that provides various options and tabs for managing your account. On the left-hand side of the top menu, you will find your company name. By clicking on it, you can access and manage your company's files, settings, subscription, and billing information. If you have multiple businesses or operate in different countries, you can also switch between them from this menu. The first tab in the top menu is the Dashboard tab. Clicking on this tab will provide you with an overview of your account activities and key metrics. Moving on, the Business tab is where you can access comprehensive account analytics. Here you can view information such as short-term cash flow, business snapshots, invoices, quotes, and sales overviews, among other relevant data. The Accounting tab grants you access to your linked bank accounts, allowing you to manage transactions and generate reports to track your financial performance. Under the Contacts tab, you can find all your contacts, including customers and suppliers. This section enables you to efficiently manage and communicate with the individuals or organizations you interact with for your business. The plus button, located in the top menu, is a useful feature that allows you to create various types of documents and transactions with ease. You can create new invoices, bills, contacts, quotes, purchase orders, spend money entries, receive money entries, and even transfer money between accounts. Additionally, the top menu includes a search bar where you can quickly locate specific information within your account. You will also find a notifications icon that alerts you to any important updates or reminders. If you require assistance, the Help section in the top menu provides access to support resources and documentation. You can explore guides, FAQs, and contact Xero's customer support if needed. Furthermore, the Connected Apps section allows you to integrate third-party applications and services with Xero to enhance your business processes. Finally, the Account section in the top menu enables you to manage your account settings, update your profile, and make any necessary changes to your subscription or billing details. Overall, the Xero dashboard offers a user-friendly interface and a comprehensive range of features to effectively manage your accounting and financial tasks. Now let's see how to create a new invoice for your customer in Xero. To create a new invoice for your customer in Xero, follow these steps. Firstly, navigate to the top menu and locate the plus button. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear, offering various options such as creating a new invoice, bill, contact, or quote. Select the Invoice button to proceed and create a new invoice. This action will take you to a new page specifically designed for invoice creation. On the new invoice page, start by entering the customer's email address. Then choose an issue date and a due date for the invoice. Additionally, you can enter the invoice number and any relevant references to help you with identification and record keeping. If you want to set up online payments for this invoice, click on the Set up Online Payments option. Furthermore, if you need to change the currency for this particular invoice, you can do so in the Currency tab. Moving on to adding items to the invoice, enter the item name, description, quantity, price, and amount for each item or service being invoiced. As you enter the amounts, the subtotal and total tax will automatically be generated based on the calculated amounts. This simplifies the process of determining the overall cost and tax implications for the invoice. Furthermore, to attach files to the invoice, simply click on the Attach Files option. Upon clicking, you can upload files directly from your computer, ensuring that any necessary documents or supporting materials are easily accessible for your customer. To preview the invoice before finalizing it, click on the Preview button. This allows you to review the invoice layout, formatting, and content to ensure everything appears as intended before sending it to your customer. If you need to save the invoice to work on it later, you can do so by clicking on the Save and Close option. This action will preserve the current progress and allow you to return to it at a later time to make any necessary adjustments or additions. Once you are satisfied with the invoice and ready to send it to your customer, click on the Approve and Email option. This will finalize the invoice and automatically send it to the designated recipient via email. If you wish to create additional documents, such as another invoice, bill, contact, quote, or purchase order, you can easily do so by clicking on the plus button in the top menu. This will open a drop-down menu where you can select the specific option you want to proceed with, such as creating a new invoice, bill, contact, or any other relevant document. Now let's see how to integrate Xero with other apps. To integrate Xero with other apps, start by locating the Connected Apps option in the top right corner of the Xero interface. Click on it to access the Connected Apps section. Here you will find recommended apps for integration. If you want to explore more options, click on Find More Apps on the Xero App Store to be redirected to the Xero App Store. Within the Xero App Store, you'll discover various categories of apps, such as time tracking, payroll HR, payments, and more. To connect a specific app with your Xero account, navigate to the desired app category and select the app you want to integrate. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's consider connecting Zapier with our Xero account. Scroll down until you locate Zapier and click on it to access the app's details. On the Zapier page, click on the Get This App button. After clicking, you will be redirected to the Zapier homepage. Here you can log into your Zapier account or create a new one. Once logged in, you will need to provide access to Xero within Zapier to initiate the integration between the two platforms. This integration will enable you to enhance productivity and automate various tasks by connecting Xero with other apps. By following these steps, you can seamlessly integrate Xero with other apps such as Zapier and unlock the potential for streamlined workflows and increased efficiency in your business processes. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to using Xero. You can sign up using the first link in the description. I appreciate that, thank you. I hope you found it useful and learned something new. So again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. Thanks for watching.